Okay, this is a follow-up to yesterday's video when I downloaded the BIOS for my Dell Latitude D630. I think I'm going to go ahead and install. I already got the let me turn it on here. I already got the A19. Here it is, right here, A19. That's my BIOS version. Okay, let me put the password in here. And then, I was downloading it from the site at the Dell support. It says it's the one I got in here. I think it's from 2000. I don't even know the year. Let's see. Let's go in and look. I think it's a better one that I can put on there now. Let's see. Enter. I just named the computer Bill Gates just to be funny there. Let's see it. Enter. Alright, let's get rid of that. I'm going to go ahead and, I got a thing called BellArc. Let's get rid of that over there on the side there. Coral. Okay, this is Google. Let's go to BellArc. This BellArc Advisor. This, let's see, yeah. I got a video on it somewhere there where I loaded it. It tells you everything on your computer. I'm going to see the date of the BIOS. I think it's got the date of the BIOS in there. It's checking my computer right now. Updating the profile of the computer. It'll tell me everything on there. It'll even give you key numbers for your Windows. I won't show you those though. For your Windows, maybe your Office, it'll give you all the key numbers too. Takes a second here. I just want to see the date of the BIOS. I think it was in there. Then we'll install that one I had yesterday that I downloaded. You skip this step. See what we got here. You guys see it? BIOS installed. I got a name there. Latitude. Oh, there it is. Right there at the bottom. A19. This one's from 2013. A 6 of 213. So I'm going to put that new one on there. It said on the website it was from like 2020. So I think it might help. It might be, they upgrade a little bit. Let's close this. Let's see if I can get there over here. Downloads. Let's see here. I got downloads here on Windows 10. Where is it? Oh, here it is up on top. Yesterday. There it is. Okay, I'm going to do 2 clicks on that. And that was in downloads. Then we'll say yes. It's not letting me do it.